use a steel rule running between the D and G strings, just resting on the frets. Just get down to eye level and check for clearance toward the middle of the fretboard. There's no hard and fast rules for what measurement that should be. It's mostly arbitrary. It depends really on what you prefer. But perhaps a more intuitive way to check is just to fret at the first fret, last fret, and just tap down on that 12th fret. Now if the string was laying dead against, like flat against those frets, I would need to increase the amount of relief. This one's not too bad. You can see the string's still able to be pressed down. But if I wanted to increase the amount of relief, what I would need to do, firstly take the truss rod from your packaging, the truss rod adjustment key from your packaging. Now I've removed the base screw on this truss rod plate, and then you would put the Allen key in. Now in this case, I want to loosen, so I'm taking tension off the neck by reducing or loosening the truss rod that's running through the neck. That will allow the tension of the strings then to introduce more relief to the guitar. I would just turn about 1/8 of a turn to start with and check that. Now if you wanted to reduce the amount of relief, you would turn it clockwise, and that would tighten the truss rod and that would flatten the neck out. Okay, so the next thing we want to look at